my dad's an engineer, and I've always been interested in the way things work. As a kid, always dismantling things and trying to fix them, even if they weren't broken.
I've always been interested in engineering. I was specifically interested when I was a lot younger. I had chemistry sets from being around 7 years old.
I always had an interest in engineering and that side of development.
Well, I guess like a lot of people, I was stuck in a kind of paradox where if you want a job, you need experience, but you can't get experience until you've got the job.
After leaving school, I went on to college to study biology, chemistry, maths and economics. I enjoyed the subjects, but whilst I was there, I discovered the academic route was not for me.
So the apprenticeship offered a good way to get experience from the ground level up and go from, not knowing which end of a hammer is which to a full career in engineering.
And my dad's a contracts manager as well, so that's like something which I've always been surrounded by. So I thought it's the thing that I enjoy, it's experience, it's money, that's what I want to do.
Right at the moment, I'm working on the F-35 project on the aft fuselage. We're kind of building it at Samsbury.
So the first thing is communication. You've got to know how to talk to people, how to be friendly yet get your point across. Previously,
I've worked in quality control, I've worked in software testing, I've worked on advanced prototypes for aircraft we might see in 20 years' time.
You've got to be able to problem solve. There's a lot of things which always get thrown up, which are changed.
I've already earned the National Certificate in Aerospace Engineering. I'm working on an MVQ as well, and a higher National Certificate in Aerospace Engineering, and hoping to go on to a higher National Diploma and potentially further to degree level. As well as the challenges we've had in terms of the work we do, we've also had quite a lot of fun. We've done company-sponsored things like a trip to Germany for 3 weeks. It was a work trip. We were working on the Eurofighter near Munich.
And now when I look at myself, I'm a professional person who knows what they're doing, and I can hold myself in a professional environment with adults about work, and that's the best thing for me.
I wish I took an apprenticeship from the age of 16. The benefits that I've seen now, if I'd have started at that age, I'd be 2-3 years further on from this place that I am now, and I would be out there in the business. I'd be doing the job that I love.
So there are people on the apprenticeship scheme with me who joined at 16 years old, and while their contemporaries are at university, say, paying £9,000 a year and living on baked beans and budget bread, the apprentices are driving. In some cases, they've moved out, they're living on their own, paying rent, basically living adult lives rather than student lives.